press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello students, welcome to part 8 of the unit amines and diazoram salts. So today I am going to discuss the important questions for NEET and G. So in this topic, the first question is, the given compound is a primary amine. So why it is called a primary amine? ನೋಡಿ observe ಮಾಡಿರಲಿ, characteristic functional group of primary amine. So 1 degree amine is NH2 group. NH2 group. So ಯಾವ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ NH2 ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ that is called a primary amine. So in case of secondary amine, so NH, it is the characteristic functional group of 2 degree amine, and N that represents the characteristic functional group of 3 degree amines. And diazonium salts, so N plus X minus. So these are so not diazonium salts, these are ammonium salts. Ammonium salts. So ನೋಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ NH2 group ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ, so for the first question option 1 is the right option. So NH2 group ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ, so for the first question, so option 1 is the right option. Is clear? So option 1 is right answer. Second question, the correct IUPAC name for CH2 double bond CH. ನೋಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ತರ ಇದೆ, ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಹೀಗಿದೆ, CH2 double bond CH, single bond CH2 NH CH3. So option 1 allyl methyl amine ಯಾಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ನೋಡಿ ಅವರು this is called an allyl group. ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿರೋ ಉದ್ದೇಶ allyl methyl amine ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, allyl methyl amine. So this is not the IUPAC system. Then 2-amino-4-pentene. So second option is not possible because pent ಅಂದಾಗ 5 carbon atom ಬರುತ್ತೆ, but the given compound which contains only 4 carbon atoms. 4 amino ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, amino ಅಂದ್ರೆ NH2 ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇರಬೇಕದು, ಪ್ರಿಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. So that is why, so third option is also wrong. Then fourth option N-methyl. So methyl group is attached to nitrogen, so that is called N-methyl. ನೋಡಿ N-methyl. Prop2ene. So N-methyl ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಮುಗಿತಿಲ್ಲ. So prop2ene. So 1, 2, 3. So this group attached to nitrogen atom. So numbering start from this end. So reason is this is the function group. Is clear? So 1, 2, 3. So prop means 3 carbon atoms. 2. Prop2 ene. 1 amine is this NH2 group, function group is attached to first carbon atom. So that is why, so fourth option is the right option. N-methyl prop2ene 1 amine. So fourth option is the right option for question number 2. Is clear? ಈಗ allyl amine ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ರು. So this is the allyl amine, CH2 double bond CH, single bond CH2 NH2. ಇದು allyl amine. But allyl amine ಅಂದಾಗ this is not the IUPAC name. So 1, 2, 3. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರಲಿ, ಸೊ prop2ene 1 amine ಅಂತ, prop2ene 1 amine ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ allyl amine ಅಂದಾಗ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ that is the common name. So hence for the given question, fourth option is the right option. Next question. Compound having the molecular formula C3H9N can represent C3H9N. C3H9N. So look at the molecular formula C3H9N. So N and the primary, secondary or tertiary ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ CH3, CH2, 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 NH2, CS3, CS2, CS2, NH2, N propyl amine. So one amino propane, C3, H, 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6 plus 3, 9, H9N. So this is N propyl amine. The second option correct there. Second option. Then another one CH3, CH, NH2, CH3. This is 1, 2, 3. One amino propane. This is 1, 2, 3. 2 amino propane. C3, H9N. This is also correct. 2 amino propane, or it is also called isopropyl amine. This is isopropyl amine. Third option is also right. Third option is also correct. Next, trimethyl amine ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ CH3 N CS3 CS3. This is trimethyl amine. This is also correct. Fourth option, all of these. Hence, your option is fourth one. So for the third question, fourth option is the right option. So fourth option is right option. All of these. Next question. A secondary amine is, question number 4. A secondary amine is. Secondary amines. What are secondary amines? That is the characteristic function group of secondary amine is NH. Secondary amine is NH. Compound with 2 NH groups, that is not a secondary amine. Compound with 2 carbon atoms and NH2 group. NH2 group ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ primary amine. Then third option, a compound with a NH2 group on the carbon atom in number 2 position, second position ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So that is also primary amine. But ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ secondary amine. So NH group ಇರಬೇಕು. So first option wrong, second option wrong, third option is also wrong. Fourth option, compound in which 2 of the hydrogen of ammonia in ammonia, 2 hydrogen atoms, 2 hydrogen atom remove ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ರಿ. 2 hydrogen atoms are replaced by an alkyl or aryl groups. So R. So what are secondary amines? They are the amines which are formed by the replacement of 2 hydrogen atoms of ammonia by 2 alkyl or aryl group. Hence, for the fourth question, so fourth option is correct. So fourth option is right. Is clear? Yes. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಲ್ಲ ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಅಮೈನ್ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ NH ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಅಮೈನ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಅಮೋನಿಯಾ ಇಫ್ 1 ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಬೈ 1 alkyl or aryl group. Secondary amine ಆದ್ರೆ 2 hydrogen atoms are replaced by 2 alkyl or 2 aryl groups. So in case of tertiary amines, all the 3 hydrogen atoms are replaced by 3 alkyl or 3 aryl groups. Is clear? Secondary amine that is obtained by the replacement of 2 hydrogen atoms of ammonia by 2 alkyl or aryl groups. Next question, question number 5. Hoffman's bromamide degradation reaction is shown by. Hoffman's degradation reaction is shown by. So what is meant by Hoffman degradation reaction? So general reaction is any acid amide or CONH2. This is acid amides. So here R is either an alkyl or aryl group. Either alkyl or aryl group. So acid-amides on heating with bromine and potassium hydroxide solution, aqueous solution of either sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide to form RNH2 plus. So this CO is lost in the form of potassium carbonate, K2CO3, potassium carbonate, and again potassium bromide, KBr plus H2. Is it clear? So potassium 2 plus 2, 4. So 4 KOH. Number of oxygen atoms 4 plus 1, 5. So here 3 plus 2, 5. So in Hoffman's degradation reaction, acid-amide that is converted into amine, primary amine. Is it clear? So the question is, Hoffman's bromide reaction is shown by only the primary amine, primary amine. So it may be either aliphatic or aromatic primary amine. ARNH2. So aromatic primary amine. Second one, ARCONS2, that is acid-amide. CrNO2, nitrobenzene. So fourth one is R-alkyl amines, ARCS2, and benzyl amine. So it is the characteristic test for node. Only the primary amines can be prepared by this method. So ಈ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಅಮೈನ್ ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು? ಸೊ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಅಮೈಡ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಅಮೈಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಐದರ್ aliphatic acid amide or aromatic acid amide, RCONH2. So your option is second option. So second option is the right option for question number 5. Second option is correct. Is clear? So ARCONH2, second option. Next question number 6. Best method for preparing primary amines from alkyl halides without changing the number of carbon atoms. Note, no loss of carbon atoms. In Hoffman's bromamide reaction, so RCONH2, it is converted into RNH2. So here there is a loss of one carbon. Hence, so the first option is wrong. Then Gabriel phthalimide synthesis. So in case of Gabriel phthalimide synthesis, so that is the conversion of phthalimide. So this is phthalimide. It is converted into so RNH2. So RNH2. So on treatment with potassium hydroxide followed by alkyl halide, and then it is subjected to sodium hydroxide solution, alkaline hydrolysis. Finally we get primary amine along with sodium salt of phthalic acid is obtained. So this is the final compound. In this case, so here also COONA. RNH2 plus COONA. ನಾನು ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಗ್ಯಾಬ್ರಿಯಲ್ ಥ್ಯಾಲಿಮೈಡ್ ಸಿಂಥಸಿಸ್, ಥ್ಯಾಲಿಮೈಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇಂಟು ಓನ್ಲಿ ದಿ ಅಲಿಫ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಅಮೈನ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಅಲಿಫ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ 1 degree amine, aliphatic 1 degree amine. Is clear? So in this case, note RX, alkyl halide is used, we get RNH2. There is no change in the number of carbon atoms. Hence for the sixth question, second option is the correct option. Then in case of Sandmeyer's reaction, note C6 H5 N double bond NCl. So when it is treated with in Sandmeyer's reaction, cuprous chloride is treated with concentrated HCl. Cuprous chloride is treated with concentrated HCl. So in this case, so we get C6H5Cl. C6H5Cl in Sandmeier's reaction. Question is, best method for preparing primary amines. Primary amines. But this is not a method of preparation of amines. In case of Sandmeier's reaction. More reactions in the Sandmeier's reaction. Conversion of benzene diazonium chloride to chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, then cyanobenzene. So, idu preparation of amines alla best method for preparing alkyl, preparing primary amines from alkyl halides. From alkyl halides. That is wrong. Reaction with NH3. So, alkyl halide with NH3, we get primary, secondary, along with tertiary amines, depending on the quantity of alkyl halides are used. So, hagage third option possibility illa, fourth option possibility illa. In Gabriel Thialmate synthesis, alkyl halide that is converted into the aliphatic primary amine. So, second option is the right option. First option enagutte, as Hoffman's bromide reactions alli ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, acid amide to amines. But this is not from, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇದನ್ನಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರೋಮಿನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು, alkyl halide ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ amines ಫ್ರಮ್ alkyl halides. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ alkyl halides. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರೋಮಿನ್ ಇಂದ ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಬ್ರೋಮಿನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ alkyl halide ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ alkyl halide ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ alkyl halide ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್. Next question. Question number 7. Gabriel Thialmate reaction is used for the preparation of. So, I already ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ. Gabriel Thialmate synthesis that is used to prepare only the aliphatic primary amines. Only the aliphatic primary amines. So, reason is here alkyl halide is used. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ potassium N. So, ಇಲ್ಲಿ potassium thialamide ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಯಾಕೆಲ್ಲಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದ ಅಲಿಫ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಅಮೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದಾಗ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಷಿಯಂ ಥ್ಯಾಲಿಮೈಡ್ N-K+, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಕೈಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಲೈಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಅರೋಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಅಮೈನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅರೈಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಲೈಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಫೈಲ್ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ benzene ring of aryl halides. Reason is they do not undergo nucleophilic substitution reactions easily. ಸುಲಭವಾಗಿ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. So that is why the Thialmate synthesis that involves the preparation of only the aliphatic primary amines. So hence for the question number 7, so third option is the right option. Third option is right option. Is clear? Next. Next question. Question number 8. When acetamide is treated with bromine and caustic soda means potassium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, caustic soda, then we get, when acetamide is treated with acetamide CH3CONH2, acetamide is treated with bromine Br2 and aqueous potassium hydroxide solution, sodium caustic soda is sodium hydroxide. To form this CO is lost in the form of sodium carbonate. CO is lost in the form of sodium carbonate. So acetamide, this is acetamide. Acetamide is converted into methylamine CH3NH2 along with Na2CO3 plus NaBr plus H2. Nodi, acetamide is converted into methylamine. So third option is the right option for question number 8. Third option is right. Bromoacetic acid not possible. Acetic acid is not possible. Ethane is also not possible. So ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ acetamide with bromine and caustic soda or caustic potash ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. Caustic soda means sodium hydroxide, caustic potash means potassium hydroxide. Is clear? Next, another question. Acetamide or CONS2 reduction, we get CS2NS2. In the above reaction, hybridization state of carbon changes from. ನೋಡಿ question number 9 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರೆ CONH2, C double bond ONH2, it is converted into CH2NH2. So look at the hybrid state of carbon atom. So it is linked with, so there are 3 sigma bonds are connected to this carbon atom. This is 1 sigma bond, 1 sigma and 1 pi bond. So based on the number of sigma bonds, so here it is 3 sigma bonds, therefore this is sp2 hybridized, and this carbon atom is sp3 hybridized, sp2 hybridized, this is sp3 hybridized, sp2 to sp3. So third option is right option. So for question number 9, third option is the right option. Is clear? ನೋಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಬಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ನೋಡಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, CH2 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ C ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು H ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು H ಇದೆ. So there are 4 sigma bonds. So hence it is sp3 hybridized. So sp2 to sp3. Next, another one. Next question. Question number 10. Amines are basic in character because they have. So why amines are basic in nature? So amines means either primary, secondary or tertiary amines. So RNH2, this is the primary amine. RNHR, this is the secondary amine. RNR, this is the tertiary amine. 1 degree amine, 2 degree amine, 3 degree amine. So nitrogen has, so in all these 3 types, nitrogen has 1 lone pair of electron. It has the tendency to donate it, hence it is a Lewis base. And also these amines have a tendency to accept a proton. So hence these are behaves both as Lewis as well as Bronsted bases. So amines, these are Lewis base and also Bronsted bases. Primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amines, they have Lewis bases because they have the tendency to donate a pair of electrons, and also they have the tendency to accept protons, hence they are called proton acceptor means bases, Bronsted bases. Hence your option, lone pair of electrons on nitrogen atom, that is right. Hydrox group in the molecule wrong. Replaceable hydrogen atom wrong. Saturated carbon atom, that is also wrong. So for the question number 10, so first option is the right option. Is clear? Next question. Which is most basic? ನೋಡಿ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ, so benzylamine, aniline, acetamide and orthomethyl aniline. So basic nature of amines, if it is aromatic primary amine, so electron donating groups increases basic character. Then electron withdrawing groups decreases the basic character of amines. So because these lone pair of electrons are involved in resonance, hence these electrons are not easily available for coordination with proton. Hence aniline is least basic. So reason is due to resonance. Electrons are involved in resonance. Then if you take benzamide, so in case of benzamide, benzyl amine. So in case of benzyl amine, so here CH2, NH2. So these two electrons are not involved in conjugation, not involved in resonance. So these electrons are localized, but these are delocalized. So these are localized. In aniline, electrons are involved in resonance, but in benzylamine, electrons are not involved in resonance. Electrons are not involved in resonance. Is it clear? So that is why benzylamine is more basic. Then orthomethyl aniline, that is also given. Orthomethyl aniline. Note, in case of orthomethyl aniline, NH2 group ಇದೆ, CS3 ಇದೆ. So, but generally, aryl amines are less basic. ಇಲ್ಲಿ involve ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Even though the electron donating group is attached to the benzene at the ortho position. So, when compared to aniline, so orthomethyl aniline is more basic. When compared to aniline, it is more basic. But among aromatic primary amines, so this benzyl amine is most basic. These electrons are not in conjugation with the pi electron cloud of benzene ring. So hence, so for the question number 11, first option is the right option. Benzyl amine is correct. Next question. Aliphatic amines are NH2, CH3, NH2. With one, and then AR, C6, H5, NH2. So here it exerts a plus I effect. So positive inductive effect increases the electron density on the nitrogen atom in amines. So hence these are more basic. This here, the electrons are involved in resonance, anilinal. So these electrons are involved in conjugation with pi electron cloud of benzene ring. So hence it is least basic. So aliphatic primary amines are more basic. Aromatic amines are less basic. Hence for the question number 12, first option is the right option. Is clear? Next, question number 13. Among the following, strongest base in aqueous medium. Note, first one aliphatic amine, second one aliphatic, third one aliphatic, but fourth one is aromatic amine. So in general, aromatic amines are, notice in case of N-methyl aniline, electrons are involved in conjugation. That is why least basic. Then in case of trimethylamine in aqueous medium, that is less basic. Solvent effect barutte. So that is why secondary amine is more basic. Secondary amine CH3, NH, CS3. So this is more basic. So it has one lone pair of electron. So there are two methyl groups. These are the two electron donating groups. Thereby the electron density on nitrogen atom increases. Hence they are readily available for coordination with proton. So hence dimethylamine is more basic. But in case of trimethylamine, due to steric factor, so there are three bulky groups. So there are three methyl groups are attached to nitrogen atom. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ 3 methyl group ಇದೆ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು steric effect ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ protonation ಇದು ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So that is why when compared to trimethylamine, dimethylamine is more basic. So third option is right option for question number 13. So third option is right. Is clear? Dimethyl amine. Next, question number 14. Which of the following is the weakest Bronsted base? Nodi. Bronsted base means proton acceptor. Bronsted base. So Bronsted base. Bronsted base means so proton acceptor. Proton acceptor. Now proton accept ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ lone pair of electrons are readily available. Readily available. But in case of aniline, lone pair of electrons not easily available for coordination with proton because these lone pair of electrons are involved in resonance. Lone pair electrons are involved in resonance. ಆಗ ರೆಸೋನೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಕೆನಾಟ್ these electrons are not available for coordination with proton. ಇದನ್ನ ಪಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. But these electrons are involved in resonance. Therefore, aniline is least basic. So, second one, electrons are available. There is no conjugation. In case of third one, so lone pair of electrons on the nitrogen atoms are localized. ಅಲ್ಲಿ resonance ಅಲ್ಲಿ involve ಆಗಲ್ಲ. But in case of fourth option also, so due to positive inductive effect, it is most basic, more basic. Is clear? So hence, the weakest Bronsted base is first one, aniline. So for the question number 14, first option is the right option. Next, question number 15. Correct increasing order of basic strength of the following compounds is. ನೋಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ರೆ in case of aromatic amines. So in aromatic amines, electron donating group so increases the basic character. Then electron withdrawing groups decreases the basic character. So aniline, that is a weak base. So NO2 group is electron withdrawing group. So here this NO2 group is electron withdrawing group, and methyl group CS3 group is electron donating group. Electron donating group increase the basic character. Electron withdrawing groups decrease the basic character. So therefore, most basic is third one. So most basic is third one. Least basic is aniline. First second one. Second one is least basic. So aniline is a basic character of aniline is lies between nitroaniline and methyl aniline. So most basic. How ಕೇಳಿದೇನೋ correct increasing order, highest basic character is third one. ನೋಡಿ fourth option ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದೆ. Second, first, third. So fourth option is the right option for question number 15. Is clear? Next, question number 16. Which of the following is the least basic? ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ನೇಚರ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಡೊನೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರ ಹುಡುಕ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಡೊನೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್? ಇನ್ ದಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಸ್ NO2 group, electron withdrawing group. So electron withdrawing groups decreases the basic character. So in the first one, so least basic character. Second one, methoxy group is there, that is electron donating group. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ NO2 group is electron withdrawing group. NO2 group electron withdrawing group. OCS3 group is methoxy group is electron donating group. So which of the following is the least basic? Least basic is first one. First one is least basic. Is clear? So for the question number 16, first option is the right option. Is clear? So general ಆಗಿ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕಬಿಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ವಿಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಡೊನೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 17. Decreasing order of basic character of ammonia, methylamine, ethylamine and aniline. ನೋಡಿ ಕೇಳಿದೇನೋ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್. ನೋಡಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರಲ್ಲೇ. ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ammonia, NH3. Second one, methylamine, CS3NH2. Third one, ethylamine, C2H5NH2. Fourth one is aniline, C6H5NH2. Among these compounds, ಅನಿಲಿನ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್. ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾರೆ. ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್, ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇರೋದು ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಈಸ್ ಅನಿಲಿನ್, C6H5 NH2 ಈಸ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಈಥೈಲ್ ಅಮೈನ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್. ಸೊ C2H5 NH2 is most basic. Next among these two, next one is methylamine, CS3NH2. So then ammonia. So here ammonia. So this is the correct option. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ positive inductive effect ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ when compared to methylamine, ethylamine is most basic because so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಬೋಕ್ಯಾಟೈನ್ಸ್ ಜನರೇಟ್ ಆದಾಗ ಮಿಥೈಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಈಥೈಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಬೋಕ್ಯಾಟೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು? ಈಥೈಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಬೋಕ್ಯಾಟೈನ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಬಲ್ ನಾಪಟ್ಟಿಕೊಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಈಥೈಲ್ ಅಮೈನ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್, ದೆನ್ ಮಿಥೈಲ್ ಅಮೈನ್, ಅಮೋನಿಯಾ ಅಂಡ್ ಅನಿಲಿನ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ರೆಸೊನೆನ್ಸ್. ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ಯುವರ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್, ethylamine, methylamine, ammonia and aniline. So second option is the right option for question number 17. Is clear? Next, question number 18. The one which is least basic, ನೋಡಿ ammonia, aniline, trimethylamine and diphenylamine. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಟ್ರೈಫಿನೈಲಮೈನ್, ಡೈಫಿನೈಲಮೈನ್, ಅನಿಲಿನ್ ಅಂಡ್ NH3 ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ದಿ basic character of aniline. In aniline, electrons are involved in resonance. But in case of diphenylamine, there are two benzene rings are attached to nitrogen. So this is so E electrons, this phenyl group acts as just like an acts as electron withdrawing group. So ನೋಡಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾವಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿಗಿಂತ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಕಡಿಮೆ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಬೈ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ phenyl group, ನೋಡಿ ಈ delocalization of electrons on the nitrous atom again increases. So hence it is least basic. Triphenylamine is least basic. So third option is the right option for question number 18. So because phenyl group is just like acts as electron withdrawing. Next question number 19. Strongest base ನೋಡಿ where the electrons are not involved in resonance. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು? only the saturated carbon atom, no pi bonding electrons are present in the given compounds. In such cases the electrons on the nitrogen atoms are localized. If electrons on the nitrogen atoms are delocalized, such electrons are not available for coordination with proton. Hence we know that in the given options, fourth option is aniline. Aniline is least basic, ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. In the first case, so first case ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? So due to resonance, some polarity induce ಆದಾಗ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಲೋಕಲೈಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಬೈ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ದ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಆಟಮ್. Similar in case of second option, there are two pi bonds. But in the third option, ನೋಡಿ N-propylamine, that is most basic. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾನ್ಜುಗೇಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. CH3, CH2, CH2, NH2. So this is most basic. Clear? So option 3 is the right option for question number 19. Is clear? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಪೈ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೋ ಸೊ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ರೆಸೊನೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ಸೊ ನಾಟ್ electrons are not easily available for coordination with proton. Is clear? Next question number 20. CH3 CH2 NH2 is more basic than acetamide because ನೋಡಿ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ethyl amine is more basic than acetamide. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ethyl amine CH3, CH2, NH2. So this is more basic. This is more basic than acetamide. So in case of acetamide, CS3, CO, NH2. So here this carbonyl group is an electron withdrawing group, so that these electrons are involved in again resonance. As a result of which these electrons are not in conjugation with another components. Is it clear? Electrons are in conjugation, but here the electrons are not in conjugation. So this is electron donating group. So all alkyl groups are electron donating group. Due to plus I effect, positive inductive effect, the basic character increases. Due to minus I effect, so this CO group itself acts as an electron withdrawing group. So that is why acetamide is less basic. Some propylamine is more basic. This is less basic. Note options ನೋಡಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Acetamide is amphoteric in nature. So that is right. Electron withdrawing donating group ಇದೆ. So that is right. But basic character ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. In ethylamine, electron pair on nitrogen atom is localized by resonance. No resonance can be observed in case of ethylamine. Hence, second option is wrong. In ethylamine, no resonance. That is right. In ethylamine, no resonance. While in acetamide, lone pair of electrons on nitrogen atom is localized. Therefore, less available for protonation. Hence, so third option is the right option for question number 20. Is it clear? Next question. Question number 21. Which one is the most volatile? Most volatile means it has less tendency to form hydrogen bondings with water. So first one is primary amine. There are two hydrogen atoms involved in the formation of hydrogen bonding with water. Then trimethylamine, no hydrogen atom. Hence, that is more volatile. So tertiary amine. So this is more volatile. So R3N is more volatile. Hence, second option is the right option for question number 21. No hydrogen bonding. Is it clear? Next, question number 22. Aniline on reaction with acetyl chloride gives. Aniline on reaction with acetyl chloride. Aniline with acetyl chloride. CH3COCl on treatment with aniline C6H5NH2 to form. So here this Cl is replaced by NHC6H5 to form acetonilide. So NHCOCS3. Nodi CH3CONH, CH3CONH6. This is acetonilide. Acetonilide. Is it clear? So option, third option, acetonilide. So for the question of 22nd, third option is the right option. Next question, question number 23. Compound obtained by heating a mixture of primary amine chloroform with ethanolic potassium hydroxide. Ethanolic potassium hydroxide. So for the question number 23, compound obtained by heating a mixture of primary amines or NH2 on heating with a mixture of compound obtained by heating a mixture of primary amine chloroform CHCl3 chloroform with ethanolic potassium hydroxide with KOH alcoholic potassium hydroxide solution to form note. So only the primary amines on heating with chloroform and alcoholic potassium hydroxide to form RNC plus KCl plus H2O. This reaction is called carbyl amine reaction. Carbyl amine reaction. These compounds are called isocyanides. So an alkyl isocyanide, note mixture of primary amine. An alkyl isocyanide, alkyl halide, amide and nitro compounds. So alkyl isocyanates are formed. Hence, first option is the right option for question number 23. ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 24 ಇಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.